Hey there guys, it's Kim George here from YourChicGeek.com, and I'm coming to you with a quick video on an update that I'm sure you guys have probably heard about right now that is circling amongst the KDP community, and that is an AI generated content update that Amazon has added into the back end of your account when you're uploading new books to KDP. So before we dive off into this video, I'd love for you guys to like, share, subscribe, comment, all of that good stuff. For those of you that are new, that are interested in using and building a brand to sell more books on KDP, you can head over to check out my course From Publish to Profit. I've also created a new workshop for those of you that are just interested in publishing journals and selling them on KDP and beyond called Journal Camp. That is available as well. There's going to be a link below. And then I have some freebies. One is a swipe file and a list of over 200 types of low content books that you can sell and publish. And then also I have a free masterclass that walks you through the 7-step framework that I use for publishing books on KDP. Let's get off into this video. So you guys have probably heard about the news that is making its rounds. This is in reference to, again, a new tab that you will now see whenever you are uploading your book's cover and your interior into your KDP account. And this tab basically is called the AI Generated Content Tab. I want to give a shout out to my girl, Jenny Hansen Lane. She has a great YouTube video. She's killing it with ads. And if you have not subscribed to her, definitely head over to check her out. But I saw her video that came up and I said, this is very interesting, given the fact that I had been uploading some books this past week and I didn't see this tab come up. And so all of a sudden now it is definitely here. And so what's happening is that Amazon is, in this specific tab, it says that Amazon is collecting information about the use of artificial intelligence tools in creating content. So what is AI generated content? It tells you what that includes. And then it talks about, you agree to adhere to our KDP content guidelines as a part of the terms and conditions in participation in the KDP self-publication and distribution program. And so if you click on the KDP content guidelines, it's going to take you over to this page where they have now added more information over here about this new tab that they've added for artificial intelligence. And basically it's saying that you basically have to tell them if you are uploading books that are either AI generated versus AI assisted. Now I'm not going to read through all of this, but I highly suggest for those of you that are using AI to create books and upload them to KDP that you definitely head over to read to understand the definitions and the terms that they have added here under the content guidelines, okay? Because you are going to need to make sure that you know the difference between the two. But here with the AI tools, basically you're just going to either tell it yes or no. And I would just suggest, don't try to scapegoat and try to lie. If you know you've used AI in some way, form, or fashion to create your books, just tell the truth, right? Be truthful about it. I don't know I guess Amazon is basically using this to kind of police the kind of content, I guess, that is being uploaded right now. And I'm not going to lie, I kind of figured that this would be coming along because if I'm being honest, there is a lot of content that is being put out with the use of AI. I'm for AI. I love AI tools, all of that kinds of stuff. But I have seen really, really bad content that has been put out as well. There are some people that are doing a fabulous job with it. And then there are some people that are just really putting together junky, spammy-ish kind of content. So I'm for it, but again, I do see that I do kind of see that there probably is a need to kind of put some kind of guidelines and some things in place on how to go about doing your AI content, but that's neither here nor there. Anyways, if you do decide to select, do you use the AI tools in creating text, images, or translations of your book? If you've used it for text, you're going to select here, and then it's going to ask you basically which, what parts of your text, if you've used AI for, If you use it for images, then you have to select that here. And then if you use it for translations, you would have to select that there. And then if you have not used AI for your book at all, then you would select no. So I'm just kind of interested in seeing how things are going to shape up with this new tab in place, and with what it seems like KDP is doing in reference to kind of putting these different things in place as kind of guidelines, right? And policing the content that is being uploaded. Now, again, I kind of felt that this will be coming, especially since AI is this new thing. Everybody is using it. I use it. I absolutely do love it. But here again, when you just kind of start seeing people just kind of flooding things with AI generated content, I kind of figured that they were going to start putting something in place to try to monitor things a little bit closely, right? So I'm interested in hearing your thoughts. How are you feeling about this new update? What do you think is going to happen with this? I'm not really sure if anything is going to happen with it too much, because like I said, I think AI is here to stay, but it is going to be interesting to see what KDP is going to do with this information once they start getting it. And again, I will say to you guys, if you are using AI content or AI generated content, just be truthful. I don't want to see anybody getting into trouble by trying to skirt around the system and say that you're not, when you know that you are. But again, I'm interested in seeing, again, what's going to happen with this. So another thing that I want to hit on, and this is something that I'm going to be talking about a lot more, and something that I've been working on, is income diversification. I absolutely love KDP. I love the things that you can do with this platform. But, the more that I'm seeing a lot of things that are coming out and how things are kind of shaping up, it's making me kind of really work even harder to make sure that I have diversified income streams. And I want and wish the best for you all as well. So a lot of the content that I'm planning going forward is going to be about other ways that you can make coin, even with using AI and things like that on different platforms. So I'm really excited to kind of talk about some of the things that I'm going to be working on in the future going forward, and just some of the other income streams that I am working towards to make sure that I have a very well diversified kind of diversified income streams, if you will, going forward. So I'm really happy to talk about that and put some videos and content out about that. But anyways, love to know what your thoughts are about this new AI content or AI generated content tab that's on the Amazon upload page. What do you think is going to happen? Do you think this is a good thing, or just kind of what are your thoughts about it? I'd love for you guys to comment below. Please be sure to like, share, subscribe, comment. I will have some new content coming out on next week, so be on the lookout for that. And thank you so much for watching. Okay, y'all stay safe out there, and bye.